Okay, Brandon, so this is how you start on Sonar XL LE. So what first comes up once you've actually clicked the button for excuse me, for it to start, you'll get this where it says quick start. It will say open project. You can search for a project, create a new project. I'm not sure what this one is, but this one we go on, Brandon, which is called create a new project. So you click on this icon here. Here we go. And you can name it whatever you like. So I'm going to call it, we'll call it Brandon Test. No, we won't. We'll call it Brandon Start. Brandon Start. Here we go. And we're going to class it as normal, so it opens up in a normal application. So what you do from there is you click OK. Right, it looks really daunting at the moment, son, but I won't worry about it too much. This is what we're going to do. First thing we do is we go over to this side and we press that button so it closes but minimises that section. The same over this side and the same on this bottom at this bottom section. Okay, then what we do is we delete this, right click, go to delete bus and delete this one. And we go to these, which is your main channels. So you right click and you go delete track, right click, delete track. Okay, so that's that. So what we do now is we want to start a new track. So for example, we could do one singing and one guitar, or two different guitar ones. So we go over to this section here and we'll right click and then we go to insert audio track. So we click that button there and it comes up like this. You go to the bottom, pull it down to about there, go to this section where it says custom at the top and go to this little arrow, click the arrow down and go to all. Now at the moment, as you can see, it says volume, pan, that means left and right speaker, and gain. This here will be the microphone you're using, and this here will be the speaker system that you're using. So at the moment we've got no microphone set up. So we go down to the pull down arrow, click the button, go to this section here, and because mine is a Samsung CO1U mic, condenser mic, I'll click there. Let's see now it's added that one in. And click there, and we know that these are my speakers anyway, that's what we're using, so that's fine. Go to this section here, let's say this is your talking one, so you will right click and load track icon. This screen will appear. If we're saying this one's talking, we go down to the picture where it says, let's have a look, this one there, and we select a microphone. I'm going to use this one, so you just double click it and it appears in this screen. So, and then after we've done that, you want to name this track. So you just double click in there. I'm going to call it, we'll call it Brandon. Brandon, yep, 1. So that's that done. This is mute, this is the solo button, this is the record. Once you click that, the mic doesn't start to record, it arms this track. Okay? Once you've clicked that and highlighted it, this then will go red, as you can see. Now from that point there, when we press this, or the letter R, as it says there, record or R, then it will record, it will go click, 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 4 clicks, and then it will go into the recording. This is play, pause, fast forward and rewind. If your track is recording and you stop, so you press this button here, it will end there. To get back to the beginning, you click this. Okay, so we'll do that now. That's armed, this is red, we'll click there. Testing the microphone to see if it picks up my voice. There. See how it's there? Now these sections, This is a smart tool, so you can change it like that. You can erase, you can draw lines in, or you can move. So if you click this one, I could move the track wherever I wanted to move it to. Not hold on to the right button and move it. Here we go, and then play it. Start at the beginning. Testing the microphone to see if it picks up my voice. And that's pretty much what you do, son. If you want to add another track onto there, come to this section here, right click, insert audio track, comes up again, slide it down. Because you've already selected all of them will be the same there. I'm going to right click this, load track icon, and this time I'm going to click back. I'm going to go to maybe guitar. These, have a look. Guitars, and we want electric. So let's pick a one we like, which will be, I'm going to go to that one, and as you see there, I'm going to double click in there, and I'm going to go Brandon 2, which we know is the guitar. So it's the guitar there and there. If you had a different microphone set up, you can select the microphone that you want in there, but we'll click the same one, and then you can either mute this one and start to record off this one, or record from both. It's pretty much straightforward from there, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed, Brandon.